Nityanandam, let me explain to you about the Tejas and Prakasam that we experience when we see the deities during puja and yoga. Teja, Prakasam, the signs of miracles. Tejas means shining like the sun, cooling like the moon. It is the manifestation of the divine light within you. Reasons for these miracles: third eye opening. Normal eyes do not recognize Tejas, but the third eye recognized it. Your Pida dosa is balanced. Balancing Pita dosa increases the amount of Tejas in your body. Divine body strengthens. As your divine body increases, you will be more radiant, happier and inspired. Miracles of this light experiences. Your Kundalini Shakti is awakened. Your third eye is opened. Your divine body is strengthened. Miracles begin to happen in your life. Vedic Agama science. Vedic pujas and homas are a set of powerful transformative meditation techniques that connect you with the divine. They will make you experience immense bliss. Remember this: Tejas and Prakasa experience revival, the abiding truth of the Supreme Lord within you. You are Supreme Lord Shiva right now. How do you manifest these light experiences in your daily life? Swamiji is helping for you. Nityananda.